Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You need clear prerequisites and immediate action. Decide a niche and target customer, then ship something small. Start by choosing web scraping, automation, web apps, or data pipelines, and build one focused project that solves a concrete problem. Once done, deploy it to a cheap host or shareable demo and add pricing or a donate link. Make sure to set up GitHub, LinkedIn, and one freelance profile with hourly and project rates so clients can find you quickly. You now move from single projects to repeatable income by productizing and automating sales. Convert your working scripts into CLI tools, APIs, or a simple SaaS with a free trial and paid tiers. Once done, create a 60-90-second demo video and deploy sign-up tracking. Then automate outreach with targeted email templates, follow-ups, and short cold demos. Use templates to scale. Make sure to test 3 pricing tiers and include clear upgrade paths so customers can buy up. You finish by converting interest into payments and preparing for issues. Create reusable invoices and payment links, no basic tax forms like Form 1099, and offer clear refund and SLA terms. Once payments start, provide concise setup docs, FAQ, and a simple support workflow to resolve common questions fast. If customers encounter problems, check logs, environment mismatches, and pin dependencies first. If needed, roll back to the last stable release.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.